Hello everyone. Welcome to First Class Solutions. Today we'll be providing first class solutions to this problem we have on the board. This is an indices slash quadratic problem, and we're going to look for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now let's get started. First of all, we need to simply break down this expression, which is 2 into 2x times 2 power 1 minus 5 into 2 power x plus 2 equals 0. Now, some might be confused in what we actually did here. No, this is actually the laws of indices that we followed, which states that if a power x plus y is given, it simply can be rewritten as a power x times a power y. So in this case, we have 2 power 2x plus 1, which was rewritten as 2 power 2x times 2 power 1. So going further, we have 2 power 2x times 2 power 1 is 2 minus 5 into 2 power x plus 2 equals 0. So we multiply out. We have 2 into 2 power 2x minus 5 into 2 power x plus 2 equals 0. Going further, we have 2 power 2x can be rewritten as 2, mind you, 2 power x power 2 minus 5 into 2 power x plus 2 equals 0. This is because 2 times x is the same as 2x. The same answer, x times 2, will give to you. So we bring in our x to have 2 power x multiplied by power of 2 as well. So looking at this, it is first having that semblance of a quadratic equation where you have this power 2, this power 1, and this power 0. So what do? We need to break down this unknown. We have to break down this unknown, those 2 power x, so that it will be a simpler unknown for us to use either quadratic formula, either completing the square or factorization method to factor it out. So what do? To simplify this complex unknown, we say let 2 power x be equals to what? U. Which will mean that instead of having 2 power x here, we have 2, instead of having 2 power x, we have 2u squared minus 2 power x will now be the same as u minus 5u plus what? 2 equals to what? 0. So this is now a perfect quadratic equation. Now to solve out this quadratic equation, let us use the factorization method, where we simply look for the product of the coefficient of u square and this constant. We look for the product, which actually is 4. That is 2 times 2 being 4. Which when you sum or minus will give you minus 5. That will give you the coefficient of u. What are we saying? The product of 4, that is 2 times 2. The product of 4 are either 1 and 4, 2 and 2, or 4 and 1. In this case, if we sum or minus to get minus 5, is either we use this or we use this. Let's make use of this. Where we have minus 1 minus 4 will equally give us minus 5. So the factors of 4 that we're going to work with is the first one being minus 1 and minus 4. So going further, we have 2 into u squared minus, remember, minus 1 minus 4. So minus 1u minus 4u will give us minus 5u. So instead of having minus 1, you just simply say minus u minus 4u plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we look for the common factor between 2u squared and u. So what is common between this? We have u being common. We have u into 2u. U divided by u will give us 1. Next, what is common between these two? We have minus 2 being common. 4u divided by 2, we have 2u. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. Whereas plus and minus will give you minus, so minus 1 equals to 0. In this case, we have 2u minus 1 in the brackets. So bring out one of the brackets as 2u minus 1 multiplied by the factors which are u minus 2, all equals to 0. So in this case, we are saying that 2u minus 1 is multiplying u minus 2 being equals to 0. When two values multiplies each other to give us 0, it means that either one of the value is 0 or both of the values are 0. So in this case, let us say either 2u minus 1 is equal to 0, which would be that 2u will be equals to, take minus 1 to the other side, we have 1, where u will be equals to, dividing both sides by 2, we have 1 over 2. Or, in this case, u minus 2 being 0, it now implies that we will have u, take 2 minus 2 to the other side, we have u is equals to what? 2, that is plus 2. But mind you, we are not looking for u originally. We have x as the unknown in our equation. We have to replace 2 power x to be u, so that it will be simpler for us to solve further, factorize, and get the value of u to replace later. Now I've gotten the value of u to be 2, and as well 1 over 2. So bringing back the value of u we initially replaced as 2 power x. So in this case we have bringing the value of u as 2 power x being equals to 1 over 2. Remember the laws of indices. This 1 over 2 can be written as 2 power minus 1. So in this case, since these bases are now equal, we have to equate their powers, where we have x is equals to what? Minus 1. Or bringing from this angle, we have u being equals to 2. That u is the same as 2 power x being equals to 2. Remember, 2 is the same as 2 power 1. So in this case, we have 2 power x equals to 2 power 1. In this case, where we have the same base, we have to simply equate their powers to have our x being equals to 1. So the values of our x are minus 1 or 1, which satisfies this equation. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Also, remember to share this video to your friends, to those that it might be of great help to. God bless you once more. Bye-bye.